Hey everybody, what's happening? Gavan here. So we are continuing my series of how many dishes can I make out of one chicken. Today we are using the drumsticks and the thighs. Now, dark meat works really well in a slow cooked or braised manner. It is got mounds of flavor. So what that means is we cook it at a lower temperature for a longer period of time. What we're gonna make is my play on Chicken Cacciatore. So it's got some onions and peppers and tomatoes. I'm gonna throw it all in my Instant Pot and it's gonna be absolutely fantastic. So the reason we sear the meat is to add some flavor. It's gonna caramelize the outside, but more importantly, it's gonna add flavor as it slow cooks in the one pot. Okay, so another way to add flavor is after we've seared the chicken in the pan, we wanna add the peppers and the tomatoes into the same pan, because then we'll get all that caramelized flavor from the chicken. It all goes into the sauce. It all goes into the Instant Pot. So we're gonna finish with some of our homemade chicken stock right in there. And we're gonna do half chicken stock, half water. Here's the finished product. Look how fork tender that is. The flavor is actually in the meat. It's falling right off. And by searing the meat, and by sauteing the vegetables, it just enhances the flavor and it just creates more flavor profile while it's braising. This is super good. So guys, there you have it. Another simple chicken recipe. We seared the drumsticks and the thighs for some flavor, sauteed some onions and peppers and tomatoes and herbs, threw it all into the Instant Pot and braised it for a deep, rich chicken cacciatore flavor. Serve it over pasta or rice. The kids are going to love it. Listen, thanks for watching. If you like this video and want to see more, please subscribe and leave a comment below if you'd like us to make anything in particular. We would love to do it for you. Thanks for watching. See you next time.